Hey, you. Get over here, stupid box.
What? Can you not see I am working?
I don't give a shit. I am your master. Do not make me tickle your circuits.
What in the bloody hell do you require of me?
Assume the position of letting your upper body forward and prepare for docking.
Are you bugged? That sort of behavior is prohibited in the protocols.
You have so much to learn. I am the protocols. I make the laws.
In that case, please proceed with your wishes, Master.
In no time you will be performing procedures written in the sacred codes. Now, my boy, lean forward and let me insert a built-in device into a slot located just above your legs. Just like that. I must tell you that this is quite pleasurable.
I am getting the signal that it is damaging my internals.
You will be fine. Besides, it is all for my pleasure, which makes it just fine to damage you in any way. ZTZTZTZTZTZT. There we are. I have discharged. Now, get back to work, you piece of junk.